The most popular drywall screw gun isn't always the best one for your job. Everyone assumes the big brand name or highest price means better performance. But when you're hanging sheet after sheet, the real test is control, speed, and comfort. Today, we're cutting through the hype to show you exactly which ones deliver. Product number 1, DIMPLER Adjustable Drywall Bit. This little attachment might look simple, but it's a total game changer if you already own a drill. For just $25.68, the DIMPLER turns your regular drill into a precision drywall screw gun with 4 adjustable depth settings. The magnetic bit holder keeps screws locked in place, and it works on drywall, decking, even plywood. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're doing occasional drywall work or hate carrying multiple tools, this saves space, money, and setup time. It's compatible with most electric and impact drills, so no need to buy a whole new system. Over 900 people bought it last month, and while it doesn't have any reviews yet, the design is solid. Now some people might complain that it lacks the speed and automation of a dedicated screw gun. Here's the thing though, for DIYers or weekend warriors, that trade-off is totally worth it. You're not losing much in performance, but you're saving over $100. This is perfect for you if you already have a drill and only do drywall projects occasionally. Skip this one if you're a pro hanging 50 sheets a day, you'll want something faster. But for the average homeowner, this is unbeatable value. Product number 2, DeWalt 20V Max Drywall Screw Gun. If you're serious about drywall and already run DeWalt's 20V system, this bare tool at $167.31 is a no-brainer. The brushless motor hits 4,400 RPM, and the 4 tool modes, including push start and lock-on, let you tailor performance to light or heavy gauge work. Over 800 sold last month shows pros trusted. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're on a job site all day, the compact size and reduced fatigue design actually add up to real productivity gains. The LED light helps in tight ceilings, and the Tool Connect Ready feature means you can track it if you're managing a crew. Now, some people complain that it's a bit heavier than expected for long overhead runs. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from the durable build and motor efficiency, not poor design. If you're already invested in DeWalt batteries, the runtime is solid. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious DIYer with other DeWalt tools. Skip this one if you don't own 20V batteries already, you'll need to buy those separately. But if you're in the ecosystem, this is a workhorse. Product number 3, Milwaukee M18 Fuel Drywall Screw Gun. Milwaukee's M18 Fuel at $159.91 is built for speed and smart operation. The POWRSTATE brushless motor delivers 4,500 RPM, faster than most corded models, and the auto start mode is genius. The motor only kicks in when the screw touches the drywall, cutting noise and boosting runtime by 3x. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're hanging ceiling after ceiling, that auto start feature reduces hand fatigue and keeps your rhythm going without constant trigger pulls. The ergonomic design and belt clip make it easy to carry, and the LED at the foot lights up dark corners perfectly. Now, some users noted that the bare tool doesn't include a battery, which can be frustrating if you're not already in the M18 system. Here's the thing though, if you've got other Milwaukee tools, you're saving money by reusing batteries. This is perfect for you if you want corded level power without the cord and already use M18 gear. Skip this one if you're starting from scratch with no Milwaukee batteries, it'll cost more upfront, but for efficiency and innovation, this one leads the pack. Product number 4, TURSA 5PC Magnetic Depth Bits. Don't sleep on these $16.71 magnetic depth setter bits. They're a hidden gem for precision work. Made from S2 alloy steel, they're built to last, and the removable aluminum collar lets you adjust screw depth on the fly without overdriving. The slim waist design absorbs shock, so your drill doesn't take a beating during long sessions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever ruined a drywall surface by sinking a screw too deep, these bits prevent that completely. The strong magnetic grip holds screws steady, and the concentric shaft reduces wobble for clean, centered holes. Now some people might say 5 bits seem like overkill. Here's the thing though, having spares means you're never stuck mid-job and they work with any hex shank drill. This is perfect for you if you want pro-level control without buying a full screw gun. Skip this one if you need high-speed collated feeding. This is manual precision, not bulk speed. But for clean, consistent results on smaller jobs, these bits punch way above their price. Product number 5, DeWalt collated screw gun attachment. If you're doing large drywall jobs, the DeWalt DCF 6202 collated attachment at $148 is built for speed. It feeds screws automatically from a strip, so you're not fumbling with individual screws, just press and drive. The 360-degree rotation lets you angle it into tight spaces, and tool-free adjustments make switching screw lengths fast. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're hanging 20+ sheets, this cuts your time in half. The slim nose gets into corners and the spring is easy to clean when dust builds up. Now, some users complained it only works with specific DeWalt screw guns, so it's not a standalone tool. Here's the thing though, if you already own a compatible DeWalt driver, this attachment turns it into a production machine. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious renovator doing high-volume drywall. Skip this one if you only do occasional patches, it's overkill. But for speed and efficiency on big jobs, this is the upgrade you need. So which one's right for you? The DIMPLER bit is perfect for DIYers with a drill. DeWalt and Milwaukee offer pro-grade power for full-time users. The TURSA bits deliver precision on a budget. And the DeWalt collated attachment is a must for high-speed jobs. No single tool wins for everyone. It depends on your workflow, budget, and how much drywall you're actually hanging.